Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be doing a DIY project to show you guys how I made these amazing pillars from the Dollar Tree, and it cost me under $5. If you want to see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's go. Alright guys, so these are the products that I will be using today. I got the hot glue gun from the Goodwill bins. First, you're going to want to set your glue gun on some paper so it does not leak out onto your floor when it begins to warm up. Then you're going to want to plug your item in, of course. I said item, hot glue gun. These glue sticks I got from Big Lots. I actually got them on sale for only $2.99. I'm going to go ahead and put one of those in the glue gun so we can get started and warm up while we're preparing the other items to make our pillars. Again, glue sticks from Big Lots on sale for only $2.99. What a steal, you guys. Hey, I love deals. Okay, so next I'm going to take my pillar and I'm going to go ahead and clean off the old residue before I use the E6000. I've got some of my Myers cleaner. I'm just going to spray onto a paper towel, and then I'm going to go ahead and try to clean off of some of the old residue so that it sticks better when we apply the glue from the from the glue gun. And there I'm just spraying directly on there because the paper towel didn't have enough product on it, and I want to make sure I can get off as much as I can. Bear with me, guys. I am only using one hand to clean with as I am recording with the Alright guys, I got off much of the product as I can. There's still a little bit around the edges, but we got the majority of it off. Now I'm going to test my gun to see if it's coming out. Here I realized that it's not warming up, so I thought it was unplugged. So I'm looking around like, what's going on? Dropped it just to realize that there is a switch on the side, you guys. I forgot to turn it on. There's a green light. Now we're back in action. So since I have some time to wait, these are the rocks that I got from the Dollar Tree. So this is the front of it if you guys want to go in. These are the pillars that I got, and then this is the glass vase that I will be using, and again the glue sticks from Big Lots. All right. Okay, now I'm going to just go ahead and dump the old rocks back in the bag just to mix them up, just to kind of give it more of a refreshing look. Mix those around, pretty much just buying myself some time while that glue's heating up. Here I'm trying to wipe out the vase to get some of the old dust out, just so you guys can see how clear the vase is and how beautiful these are at an inexpensive price of just $1 from the Dollar Tree. Yeah. Alright guys, let's check and see if our glue is warmed up, and let's see, and oh, come on, there we go, good to go. We got glue, you guys. So now that that's warmed up, I'm going to move it over here to my pillar. I'm going to go ahead and add dots all around the brim. Let's see here, go ahead and add that because the brim and the outside is pretty much your foundation. Here I realized that I have small glue sticks, so I started to run out of glue, so I put as much as possible. So I'm just doing that. Set that back on your paper so you don't get burned or leak anywhere. Now I'm going to take my pillar and just simply stick it on there. I mean my glass vase. We are making a pillar. Don't mind me, you guys. And I'm just going to stick that on there, press down firmly while the glue sticks. You see my baby's hand in there, she's trying to help me. Hold that down while that sticks. Alright guys, you're going to want to hold it down for a few minutes here. I was going to try to put something on top of it, but it didn't work out, so I took it off. I'm just going to pick it up just to make sure that it is glue and it is sticking to the pillar correctly. Alright, now that it's solid, I'm just looking to make sure it won't fall off, shaking a little bit, moving it around just to let you know that it is now sturdy. Next, I am going to go ahead and grab my bag of rocks, and I'm going to begin to fill it. Now, this is a desired amount, however you fill. Maybe you want a little bit less, maybe you want a little bit more, but I prefer mine to have about, a little bit over half full, just so it could match the other one that I have in my bathroom, which you guys will see later on in this video. Yes, yes. Let's get to that filling. Filling it up here. Just seeing how it looks like from the side to see if I should add a little bit more here. Let's keep going. Of course, you guys can always just dump these straight in if you want to, but I like to do it by hand just so I can have control of the amount that I'm putting in to see if I need to add more or take out less instead of having to dig a bunch out if I was to just pour them all in at one time. Okay, still putting some rocks in. My baby decided she wanted to help, so I gave her some rocks to put in the pillars. So cute. Isn't it nice when you can do DIY projects with your children? And that is pretty much it, you guys. Now I'm going to go over and place it in the bathroom next to my other pillar. Here I'm going to try to wipe out the inside of it to try to remove some of the dust. But I do not recommend doing that when you have product on the towel. And that is the finished product, you guys. Alright guys, I want to thank you so much for watching and hope that you like this DIY on a dime, I say, because it was under $5. If you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, however it is free. And leave me a comment if you think you would try this or you would like it in your home, in your bathroom, just like mine. Thanks again. And if you would like to see a recap of how much everything costs and where I got it from, go ahead and continue to watch this video to the end, and I will put the prices in the places. There you go.